24/7 is a chain of health clubs, and I'm the CEO, so I run all 10 sites. We've been working with Omega since 2011, so nearly 5 years. Omega offered us the immediate solution for our health clubs. In 2011, very few people were offering turnstile entry for 24-hour health clubs. We didn't really know where to start, so we went to Omega, and they came up with a perfect bespoke solution for us at the time. We would definitely regard Omega as an expert partner. Our clubs are unmanned for most of the night, so security is essential, but it's also key that the system talks with our IT system, so the transfer of data from the gate through to the IT system to allow members to access the club, but also to stop non-members from accessing the club. It is vital to us, and Omega work well with our software suppliers and provide virtually a turnkey solution for us. The quality of products that Omega provide us are excellent. They need to be very hard-wearing, durable, and they also have to work for 24 hours a day, so they're under a lot of pressure. And Omega have never let us down. They go in, they do the initial fit-out, but not only that, they provide support whenever necessary across the entire chain. We've got 50 employees, and they all get on really, really well with the Omega team. Omega, incredibly responsive. Even on the weekends, whenever we have an issue with one of our sites, with one of our gates, I know I can give Richard Ward a call, and their guys come straight out and do whatever they can, whether it's remotely an IT fix or whether they actually attend site. They're fantastic, can't fault them. I think the Omega team are incredibly trustworthy. A lot of times we're very, very busy with lots of sites. They go out, they do fit-outs. I don't even attend sites sometimes because we have 100% trust. I know that if Omega are doing the job, it's going to get done properly, and they won't leave until it's finished. I would regard Omega as an ethical company. To give you an example, they quoted for a job for us. We agreed the job, and then I know Richard was given a discount on the items that were going to be supplied, and Omega never kept the discount. They applied it to my quote and to my bill, which I thought was incredible. I think a specific experience that stands out for me with Omega was in our very early days. We wanted to go 24-hour, our name's 24/7 Fitness, but there were quite a lot of obstacles to get over. We needed a system that allowed members to come in and go at night, but also stop non-members from coming in and abusing the system. We also had to stop them from stealing our equipment, so it had to be quite a tight sort of fix. So we needed some sort of turnstile gate solution, something along those lines, something very safe. But we also needed it to talk to our membership management software. So we spoke to a lot of turnstile suppliers and people like that, and they could supply the turnstile, but they couldn't get it to talk to our membership management system. So we had a turnstile, but no way of linking that up to our membership without adding lots of different stages in, which just made it more complicated. We'd have to add a lot of multiple data entry for our staff, which was time consuming. And then Omega came along, and they talked to our membership management supplier. They dealt with the API problem. They brought in the AX200 as the link between them and created a seamless system so that members came, they typed in their PIN number, it talked to our system, it talked to the gate, which let them in, and also stopped anybody that wasn't a member from just typing in a random number and getting in. And that allowed us to go 24 hours. That allowed us to be 24/7 Fitness. And I think it really stands out in my mind because it enabled us to be who we wanted to be. And they did it all on a really tight timetable. And we had like 2 months before we were going to open. And, you know, they got us across the line. To sum up Omega in one sentence, to be honest, I don't need a whole sentence, just one word: friends. I would and absolutely have recommended Omega to everybody I know that needs a security solution.